Imagine walking into your grandma's house and she's baking a delicious pie, but you can't smell it. And then you go to eat the pie, but you can't taste it. This would be our reality without sensory receptors. Sensory receptors allow us to understand things that are happening in our bodies, and chemoreceptors are the ones specifically responsible for taste and smell. So when we breathe in, we're breathing in so many chemicals, and our body turns these chemicals into electrical signals so that our brain can understand them. These electrical signals travel through our olfactory nerve to reach our brain, and at this point our brain translates the signal, and now we can smell. Chemoreceptors also protect us because our sense of smell is one of the senses we use to survive. For example, if you start smelling smoke in your house, it could be a fire, and now your chemoreceptors have saved your life. Or if you eat some dinner and it tastes acidic, so you spit it out, and now your chemoreceptors have saved you from being poisoned. These examples show us our external chemoreceptors, but there's also internal chemoreceptors. The internal chemoreceptors help us detect chemical changes within our body. For example, our levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And when these levels change, it may signal us to change our breathing pattern in order to regulate our body's homeostasis. And the question that I want to ask you guys is, what would happen if our internal chemoreceptors stopped detecting chemical changes?